Welcome back to another video. I just found a cat that like me. Oh, I just don't show my face. This is very fun. Oh, look at the cat doing. Oh, look at cat. I'm not gonna show that this censored. Oh, look at you like me. I hope this won't show my face. Ouch. Oh, the lights just turned off. Great. But this is the cat. I think it's like the same cat that I found in my other video. Oh, he just loves me so much. He loves me so much. I know you can see him like laughing because he's just, I'm doing that on my back every time. Where is he going now? I don't know whether it's a she or I mean it's like a she now because I think from the last video. She's doing this again. How cute. Yeah, I'm gonna skip her. Oh my god. Look at. Oh, what's the cat doing? She's eating. That's cute. That's so cute. The cat is eating. At least she won't die from hunger. Say hi. I think subscribe to 100 subscribers to see my face. Bye.